If your high notes feel scary, it's probably not because you can't sing them. Most singers think fear means not having the ability, but that's almost never true. Fear doesn't mean lack of talent. No, fear equals lack of predictability. Let's take a closer look at that. When we sing a high note, that means it's at the upper range of the vocal range. Yes, we want to sing a song with notes in it that's within the overall vocal range. High notes are at the upper range of the vocal ability. And so when there's a song that has this high note, maybe a sustained high note at the end or like in the middle, and whenever that high note comes up for you, you're like, uh-oh, here we go. And you're afraid to sing it because you don't know, is it gonna be on pitch? Is it gonna sound scratchy? Is it gonna show up at all? And so that in itself creates fear because the note is unpredictable. That has nothing to do with talent. What that is that the brain is sending signals to the muscles in the throat to produce certain sounds. If the brain doesn't know what to signal for the note, it's almost like driving blindfolded. Where are you going to go? I don't know. I can't see anything. That's basically what happens with the brain and the voice. So when you have a high note and you get afraid of it, the brain basically goes in fight or flight. Uh-oh, here he comes. Don't know what to do. Let's just try and get through it. Versus here comes the high note. I'm going to need more support. I want to make sure the voice is aligned, that the whole system, the whole mechanism is aligned to hit that high note steadily. And that's something you can practice. And with that routine, then once you know exactly how to approach that note, it becomes very easy to hit that note. So it's not a guessing game. There's a clear path on how to produce those high notes. So if you are somebody that is afraid of the high notes, and each time you sing a song, or maybe you avoid a song altogether because it has too many high notes in it, it's not about your ability or your talent. It just has to do with your setup, and that you want that to be aligned again. Because once your setup is predictable, guess what? The fear goes away because now you know what you're doing. No more guessing, hitting high notes consistently and with confidence. And guess what? You're going to have so much fun doing it because now you know what your voice is actually doing and needs to do. And if you're somebody who needs help with that, I offer strategy calls where we discuss how to approach the high notes, what are some pitfalls, and how to realign your voice so you can make that steady and predictable anytime you need it. Click the link below to book a strategy call. Let's make your high notes feel predictable, not scary.